Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your computer, then please watch this video. Now, I prefer to keep this software because it is an excellent software. It does not occupy much space on the computer, and other than that, it is very useful. But still, there are people who are searching the trends for uninstalling this, so I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps. Corresponding to Adobe Acrobat 64-bit, click on these three dots here and select uninstall, and then on uninstall once again and let it uninstall. Now this needs a while, but meanwhile here's what you can do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup, and then click on OK. Select all of these options here and then click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.